Today is a rainy day. It's a rainy day. Yeah, it rain too much. The rain is too much. Yeah. It just been raining since this morning today. It just been raining. It's been raining all along. It rain too much. Yeah. See how Monrovia is like rainy season? Yeah. We are so desperate rainy season. So everything here, yeah, it's just raining. It rain too much. Just raining 2 hours since this morning today. Yeah, it's not just easy. But however, we're making it through. Yeah. Right here at the EAW junction. Yeah, I'm somewhere around the EAW junction right now. Just trying to make my way out. Yeah. Getting back to the community because I try to make my way. And yesterday the week cannot allow me. Yeah. So like in rainy season. Yeah. Just been raining. Since this morning, I left my house, then raining all along. Yeah. The rain is everywhere. Everywhere has rain. Everywhere. Okay. The rain. Too much. Oh yeah. Just raining. Yeah. Too much of rain. We are pretty soon be getting to August. So I don't know how August will be like. Let's just know how August will be like. Hey. Have you ever visited Monrovia before in rainy season? Yeah, if not, tell me how you see this place to be like. Yeah, how this place is like in the rainy season. Yeah. Yeah. It rains too much. Yeah. Everywhere is just water. Yeah, everywhere water. You know, just in the water. Just raining. Yeah. Not just easy, just raining. Yeah. It rains. See it? Guys are just driving recklessly. Otherwise, so I think you know how to cross here. Yeah. I don't even know how to cross here. How really cross here? Yeah, the water. Water too much. Yeah, really is too much. What the rain just bad up. Yeah. Just raining. See how it's like. Yeah. This is how we look here rainy season, so it's not just easy. Just been raining today, since this morning. Just been raining all along. Yeah. Just been raining throughout. It's not easy. It's not very easy. It's not very easy. Yeah. Really finding it difficult. Yeah. Just finding it difficult. So everywhere just raining throughout. Since this morning, everywhere just flooded. The greens, the water is not flowing. Yeah. So it's not just easy. Yeah. Yeah. So if you're not been here before, this is around EAW junction. Yeah, this is right around the EAW junction. And if you've been here, then that's it. You know it already. So if you are a stranger here, so that's how the place is like in the rainy season. So this morning it just been raining on the 4-6. Yeah. So this is Editable SD Copper Road Junction. So let me just cross. Yeah, let me just cross. I just want to cross. Yeah. Yeah, I was just like running to cross the street because yeah, okay, so Just raining. Yeah, have a rain today. Today is just a rainy day. Today is just a rainy day, yeah. Everywhere just wet. Yeah. Everywhere just wet today, yeah. Monrovia, if you stay here up to rainy season, then that's how you know how this place is like. Yeah, so just keep watching. I will bring everywhere to you, every community to you. So please, thank you, and thanks to all my returning viewers. For those that are subscribed, please like and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate that. Yeah, if this is your first time watching from this channel, please do me that favor. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, thank you so much for being so consistent. Yeah, and I appreciate all of my returning viewers. Yeah, I appreciate everybody, everyone. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks to all of my returning viewers. Yeah, thank you so much. Today is just a rainy day. Yeah, rainy season in Monrovia. How it's like. Yeah. Will you visit me here during this time of the rainy season? Yeah, I think if you are to come, just let me know. Then I'll be your host. Yeah. Come and experience rainy season right here in Monrovia. Yeah. Come right here and experience rainy season. How the place is like during the rainy season. Okay. So, thank you guys so much. When I'm approaching the Boulevard Junction. Yeah. When I'm approaching the Boulevard Junction. So we now have a cross here. Yeah. That's just easy. Yeah. The drainage are clogged. The drainage have been clogged. So right now, as you can see, the drainage have been clogged. Yeah. So everywhere just clogged. Water, everywhere you go. See water everywhere you go, everywhere. Yeah, so this is so bad in Monrovia. Monrovia look different during this season. Yeah. This place is just different in this season. Yeah, so different. Yeah, so different during this season. See? Everywhere just. So I need to have to cross there. I will cross there. Yeah. But however, I will still cross. Yeah. I will still cross. So let me just see how I can cross. Oh yeah. Not just easy. So I'll still make it. Yeah, I will still make it across. I'll still make it across. I think I can speed up, man. Yeah, I got to run. Yeah, that's the only way. Because those guys here, they're not stopping for pedestrians. They hardly stop for pedestrians. They hardly stop for pedestrians, so I will still stop. Yeah. That's how it is. Yeah, same this morning. Some people even become homeless due to the flood. Yeah, so that's how it is. Like, oh yeah, it's not just easy. It's not just easy. Thank you guys, man. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Rain season is so bad, so bad, so bad. Yeah, so bad. Rain season is so different. See how the community roads are like? Yeah. The road is very, very bad. Water everywhere. See? No, it's not easy. It's not just easy. Everywhere just crowded. No drainage at all. Yeah, no drainage, no drainage. So I don't know. There's something is going. It's going. This is in Monrovia. Yeah, that's how it's like. Stupid mad, damn stupid I am. Just for my camera. Yeah, that's how they look like here. Yeah, that's how they are like. Yeah, that's how it is like. Yeah, but you don't mind it. Yeah. That's how it is like in the rainy season. That's how it is like. So no problem. We just try to just make it wet this morning. So however, it's not bad. Yeah, we still make it too. Rainy season here in Monrovia, no, it's so different. I don't know how other countries are like in the rainy season. I don't know whether everywhere is like that. I have not visited any other neighboring country yet, so I don't know how they are like. Yeah, so it is rainy season here right now. We're in the rainy season. Okay, this side. Two are just walking in the rain. Yeah, just walking in the rain. Yeah, right here before the another gas station. So. That's the rain. Rain so much. Too much rain.